Hey, what's up guys? This is another video for your Honeywell Home Pro Series T6 thermostat. Now, this is a common issue that we have with this thermostat as well, to where a lot of people don't realize it, that you have to utilize your heat pump or conventional or, AC only modes to properly run your system. So if you don't have it switched in the right mode, your system's not going to operate properly. It's probably going to run in heat, or it's going to run in AC mode, depending on what setting you have it in. You want it to run in AC when you got it in AC, and you want to run it in heat when you got it in heat. So this is going to help you figure out if you can eliminate, that being the issue just based off the thermostat. So what you want to do is you want to go hold menu down, and then it'll pop up with device setup. So you want to click on select, scroll over till you get to this setting here. Depending on how your system is, the thermostat set up, it's going to show you heat pump, conventional, cool only. Maybe it might pop up first, but in order for you to change that, you just go to edit, and you'll change your boiler, cool only, conventional, which is basically straight air. So typically what you'll probably end up changing it to, if you're in a standard residential, more likely it's going to be conventional or heat pump, based off how everything is wired up, from the condenser unit to the indoor air handler. Where I'm at, it's a heat pump. So what I'll do is, it's already selected, but say for instance, if you needed to change it, you'll just go to conventional. If it's straight air, you'll go to done, and then you go back to it, and it shows conventional system, and that's how you operate. Guide through your thermostat here to change that setting. Go back to it, heat pump, and then that's it. It's set to heat pump, and now it shouldn't run in reverse, whatever the opposite, what you was trying to, run at that moment. So now if your system is a heat pump system, it should operate in cool, or heat mode, now that you have it your proper setting set. So whatever setting you have it to, it should operate correctly.